Hello guys, welcome to the next video on JavaFX tutorial for beginners. In the last two videos, we have been seeing how we can create a media player using JavaFX. And we have written a code to load our media file, resize it, and to add some functionality like play, pause, or play faster, or play slower, or move the video to the start or to the last. Now in this video, we will try to add a volume bar to your media player so we can control the volume of our media player. So let's get started. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my main.fxml file in scene builder. And in this scene builder, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for a slider, which is a horizontal slider, and I'm going to drag and drop in my bottom horizontal box or H box which I have here. Okay, so just drag and drop this slider here, and then you have some functionality of your slider, for example minimum value, maximum value, which is okay for us, 0 and 100, and we can set the initial value also from here, but we are going to set the initial value or value to the slider using the code, not from here, which will be better for us. And then we will just give the ID to our slider. We can say it's our volume slider. Okay, and just copy the name, save your fxml file, go to your project, refresh your project, and go to the main controller.java class, and in here first of all we are going to add this slider. So just write @fxml and then slider, search for the slider, and the name of the slider is volume slider as we have given in the fxml file. Right now, using this volume slider, what we can do is first of all we will go to our initialize method, which is like a first method which will be called when this app will run or this class will run. And what we are going to do is first of all take the slider and then dot set value. So just call set value, and then we will call our media player instance here, and then we will call a method called get volume. Okay, so just write get volume, and this volume, if you hover over on this method, you can see the default value of this get value method is 1, and 1 means here is maximum value, and 0 means the minimum value. Okay, and you can see in the slider, if you observed in the properties, our maximum value for the slider was 100, right? So it's 100 times more. So what we can do here is we can multiply this get value by 100, which will be proportional to our volume property. Okay, and now in the next step what we are going to do is we will take our volume slider once again and then call a property called value change property or value property, and then call a method called add listener, and in the constructor of this add listener we will just write new invalidation listener. Okay, so just search for new invalidation listener, and you can see it has given us this default method using this invalidation listener, right? And inside this invalidated method, what we want to do is we want to set the value according to the value set on the volume slider, right? So just take your MP or media player object and then just call a method called set volume, and this set volume takes a double value, right, which can be taken from the value of the slider. So just take the volume slider dot get value, and this will give you the value in proportional to 100, right? So to convert this value to match with your media player value, you need to divide it by 100, right? In here we have multiplied it, and in here we need to divide it. Okay, and then save your project and build your project, and then run your project. So run it, and now our app is running. So let's play our app. Hello guys, in this video and pause the app, and you can see the slider is on 100, right? So the default value which was given by this get volume method is 1, which is multiplied by 100, and this value is set to your volume slider, right? Once again, I'm going to play my video, and then I'm going to move this slider and see what happens with the volume. So you can see the volume has been reduced to the minimum value of the slider, which is 0, right? And you know, as you increase this volume slider, the volume will also increase. To your Java project, or other is to add a JavaFX plugin. So in this way, you can add a volume slider to your media player. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.